Will he do it? Will he do it? He's thinking about it. Trying to get to that bird feeder. A little styrofoam thing on there to deter the squirrel. I don't know if it's going to work or not. We've tried everything. He's just thinking about it. Maybe it's because he's tired of jumping and landing on his feet.
Right. He doesn't know if it's worth it or not.
He's going to get caught. It's okay. A real squirrel always has to give it a try. All right. All right. Uh-huh. Doesn't smell all that good anymore, does it?
Best point of no return at this point.
Up.
Yeah. It was just too much trouble.
Ooh, his little tail switching. Okay, now he's pissed. Yeah, that's the WD-40 I put on the cup. Now it's going to be totally covered with cayenne pepper.
Oh, ow! Oh!
He landed in those little pointy plants.
Those agaves and those pointy needle point. Man, they hurt. Ow, that poor thing. God, I hope he's okay.